Hey guys, so a quick overview of the Amazon Basics Performance Alkaline batteries 20 pack. So this is how they come. So I've already opened them because I don't have my tripod, so it becomes difficult for me to hold the phone and shoot these videos. So I'll try to fix my tripod as soon as possible so that I can post better unboxing videos. But yeah, these are the batteries. They come in 4 packs, so pack of 4, so a total of 5 of these 4-pack batteries, and they are supposed to be performance batteries, so should compete well with not only in regular Duracell but Duracell Ultra batteries as well. But I don't think they will actually be able to perform as compared to Duracell Ultra, but I'll post a detailed review once I have used them. And also I have got a special battery charger, a Maxis, which can recharge these kind of non-rechargeable alkaline batteries as well. Although it clearly says, like any other regular battery pack, that it may explode or leak if recharged, disposed of in fire, short-circuited, or improperly inserted. But since I have an intelligent pulse charger which has a computerized detection of these alkaline batteries, so accordingly it safely charges these batteries, although most of them start leaking even before charging or during the charging. But yeah, some of them give some usable life, so you can probably recharge them for 2 to 4 times on most of the batteries before they go completely dead. So once you recharge, the usable capacity will definitely not be 100% of what these are, but it may still carry 50% on the first recharge, and then afterwards 25% on the second one, and then 10% on the third one, like that. So for a normal remote controller applications, you might be able to recharge using an intelligent charger like Maxis, so before these become unusable. Otherwise, on a regular charger, please do not attempt recharging them, because they will definitely leak, or worst case they may explode and cause injuries. So please do not attempt recharging on a regular battery charger. Alright, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.